so tasty and healthy. Okay, and some lunch meat. Okay, this looks so good. Some lunch meat.
What I'm doing it. That's why I'm making this. What I'm doing it. That's why I'm making this.
Like a tomato.
So this was an easy trade. There was no whoops.
Two.
Live.
Okay.
Making.
This looks so tasty. Let's go serve it. All right.
Good morning, Angel. Testing, testing. Good morning, Angel. Okay, that's one. All right, so the market's going to open. I'm going to do my 15-second strat. I got to get prepared for this real quick here. The 15-second strat. I don't know if I should do 10 micros or 20 micros on this. I haven't decided yet. We will see. Good morning, Wild World. Good to see you on the YouTube side of things. All right, so we're kind of coming up here. 9:30 is coming up. The market's about to open here. Mr. M Bets, good morning. Keep in mind, guys, I am not doing credit spreads today, okay? No credit spreads. We have FOMC and NVIDIA earnings. I suspect a lot of choppy price action. The real Toafa. I hope I'm saying that right. Welcome, welcome. All right, we're getting some spikes up in here. 9:30 is coming fast. We're getting the volatility now as the market's trying to open up. What's the 1 minute looking like? Nice big 1 minute candle. All right, let's see what the price actually gives us today. Alrighty, 9:30 has started right here on this candle here. We're coming up at 9:30. This is the first candle. We're looking for an opening range breakout, and we'll see if we get this. All right, here's the candle. We're getting some opening range breakout. I'm going to see if we close above. Looks like we are. And I'm going to place the order now. Right there, we're going to put 10 contracts here. I'm going to see if I get filled. Put it right there if it comes little inside of it.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in 10 contracts. My stop loss will be down here. Sell 10. All right, so I'm in 10 contracts, just 10 micros. 10 micros. I might get wiped out, might not. We'll see. I got my stop just below this 9:30 mark. I've been testing this strat out. I really like this strat a lot. I really do. Really like it a lot. I could get wiped out, though. We'll see. Looks pretty...
Stop filled.
It's filled me on my stop. Okay. No worries. That was a 180. This is the one day it didn't work. As you can see, we had the 9:30 here, broke structure here, but it kind of stopped me out. So now I'm going to go into my 1 minute strategy and make that money back. Let's go into the 1 minute. See what we can find today. Only 180. Risk 180 to make $1,000, in my opinion, is worth it. But yeah, this is one of my new strategies. It's been working a ton. As you wait for the 9:30 to break, we got a break here at 9:30. You put your entry right here at that top entry or that top wick, and then ideally you want price to keep moving up. But in this case, it did do a fake out. In that case, this is prop firms, so this is not actually 180 I lost. I pay a valuation fee, so do keep that in mind too. All right, we'll see what that does. And while that's going, freaking Weevil just keeps going up, huh? I really want that thing down. I can't sell any sort of premium that's decent. 12.5. I mean, there was 11.5 premium, and now you won't be able to sell that anymore, unfortunately. So here's SPY.
Let's go with the parrots. Ready?
Caps, penny stocks, EJH is leading. I want to see some big cap stocks today, but I think all eyes are going to be on that FOMC meeting. I think a lot of things we're gonna wait till what that does. We're coming back up into this thing. It looks like it just wanted to stop. Lily just wanted to stop me out right on this fat candle here just to go back up. That's fine. That's fine. I see how it is. I'm gonna look for that 1 minute grab up in here. I'm gonna watch crude oil. Crude oil is right there on that EMA 20. Do you just Alt F4 this stream? What does Alt F4 mean on this stream? Alright, I'm watching gold here too. We're all near the EMAs on my 1 minute stretch. So I can't really take an EMA play yet. I'm curious if this does break out and maintain that. Yeah, I got kind of unlucky there on that 1 minute. Here was the opening bell and just shot it down, right? Oh, yeah, because it was my stream was having connection errors, so I just exited it. Trading view, we have a Tesla 5 minute touch and a Meta 5 minute touch. Let me check out those from the bot. Tesla touch. Tesla! Oh, we got a Tesla touch right there on the 5 minute. We don't have EMA 20 TD yet. Keep in mind though, these can go up pretty big here if you want to scalp these little areas. A lot of people like to do call options. You can do 2 days out, which is pretty freaking good. 2 days out call options here. I usually do 1 out of the money here. You can see that 795. You can see how fast it fluctuates. The bid and ask are pretty tight. It's only a 10-cent spread. Not too shabby. We'll see what that does. So we have a Tesla 5 minute and a Meta. I don't really prefer Meta though. Don't really prefer Meta. Bull is looking pretty good, I think. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. I should have had some puts there. Yeah. Holy crap. Wow. Go. Look at Weeble go. Yeah, $14. Wow. Yeah, I mean, I wish I would have listened to my gut on this thing. This thing is just due for a skyrocket. I mean, good grief, this thing is so due. And I think we got a break of structure here on the daily for sure. I mean, right in there. You can see, like, you had this daily line, break of structure here, retest of the daily, and it's just off to the races. It's just off to the races. UNH going back up. Big money is not letting this company go down, I'm telling you. There's so much money in UNH, it's like disgusting. If you guys seen all the politicians buying this, you should have seen all the alerts came off. All the big politicians are buying this thing. Politicians never lose. It's disgusting. But yeah, this right here, I bought so much on this candle here. I know a lot of people sold off and be like, oh, UNH is going away. It's investigated and all that. I'm like, okay, you keep thinking that. UNH is not going away. And all retail traders sold but lose money, but that's just the name of the game. Everybody sells for no reason. All right, so we're looking at the 15-second. It looks like I was right. They just faked me out for a bit, unfortunately. I'm looking at the 1 minute, see if I can get a short up in here. This might be a kind of a boring day. I suspect very choppy movement. I really do. I'm just looking to see any kind of sector that I can get into. Yeah, I got barely stopped out right there. That's disgusting. Right there, I got stopped. And it's probably going to make a massive move up now. Alright, yeah, it's a nice $14 grab. You're looking at Macy's. Macy's had earnings. What is O? You have O? Alright. Good morning, Jaw. What's going on? Brian Jackson, welcome. I'm on 2 streams, so I'll reply back to whoever when I get you guys the chance. Okay. CGBS is up 90%. LPRZ I think is going to be. This one, no, it's not L. What is that stock that I made a video about? Keep forgetting the name. Golly. Oversold. What's that? Small cap momentum. IFRX. Wow, I've been hearing lots of talk on this one. What the heck happened to this one? Where is it at? Flippy. Oh, there it is. Yep, there's the move up. Man, I barely missed it. So the 15-second worked. It just stopped me out, unfortunately. That really blows my mind. That sucks. I'm going to take some gold here. See if we can get some gold down here. I'm going to try to scalp it up for some gold. Yeah, it was working. It's just sometimes this can happen where it barely stops you out, and 59.42 all the way to that was over a 10-point gain right there. Man, that sucks. Barely stopped me out, guys. Barely stopped me out. All right, I'm gonna look for an entry down here. Maybe I can get an entry on gold. I think the market's gonna be very choppy. I want to see if I can get something down here on gold. Gold is 3,000. MES is. Obviously, I'm going to do micros. I'm going to scale it in. We did just hit the 20. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ah, man. I saw that. Wow. See, what you could do now is you could just trail and stop this. You could just trail and stop this. That's a monster return right there. I'm trying to look at SPX. Do we have a 5-minute orb now? Here's your 935. Yeah, we have a 5-minute orb too on SPX. Right up in here is a great entry for longs. Yep. Good stuff. Good stuff. Ah, I missed that gold trade too. Man, I'm missing it. All right, let's see a move down here. EMA 5 rejection to a new low. Get ready. Oh man, that makes me mad. I'd be up over 10 points right now. I'll be trailing stopping this right here. I'd be like looking at this level here. If we break 59.46, I'm out of the trade, and we'll see what it keeps doing. Man, I got stopped out. Unfortunate on that. That sucks. I'm going to see if I can get some gold down at this lower Keltner channel. Doesn't really have the TD. I'm going to look to scalp it. If it goes, a lot of times what you get is a big move down, and then you can take that quick scalp. You see how you get a long lower wick, and then it goes up? Those are good scalping opportunities. MES is still doing good. Nice move on MES. Where's my video capture? I'm going to put myself over here so you can see how I'm doing my orders. This is good learning experience for you guys. So as you can see, I have orders on the right side. So, and then if I hit exit market, you can cancel them all. But you can see how if I would have caught this, nice little move up there. I would like to get MES here soon for a shorting opportunity. There's your 45. What's NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA is actually coming down just a bit. Weeble. Wow. Went back down to 1350. Interesting. You guys watching anything? Want me to look at or see anything that you know I would like? Let me know. You guys know. I think you guys understand what I like. CRWV. This thing needed to come down. I think Tesla, remember, had a 5-minute ATR4 touch. We're looking for a 15-minute. See if we can get that 15-minute. We're starting to get that 1-minute now, that TD on the 1-minute. We're starting to get that. This could have made you pretty good money on a option, 0DT options, or 2DT in this case. You could have made really good money right in here. 10, 20% easily on options there. I'm looking for a 1-minute touch here on Tesla. We got the 5-minute. 15 minutes coming. If we get a 1-minute, hold up, 1-minute touch on Tesla, I'm taking it. Facts, I'm taking it on 1-minute touch. What do we got for Tesla? Tesla's DeFi's all logic for now. I'm not seeing any negative news right now on it. Yeah, if you get a Tesla 1-minute touch, I definitely recommend some options on this puppy. This is a really good entry if you get it. I gotta watch my yes, gold is going up. Crude oil. Alright, so we would have went right back down to my entry. That would have hit my trail and stop right here. Entry was right up in there. Alright, it's just watching things right now. Tesla's my #1 priority. If you guys look in the bot, we did have a Tesla 5-minute touch.
Seen a sloth swim? You should look it up. It's hilarious. Sloths move really slow on land, but when they swim really fast.
All right, watching Tesla.
Whoa. Hey, this area you have to take off your shoes. So let's take off my shoes. There we go.
Trying to watch two things at once. Let me know if Tesla keeps going down. It's looking pretty good in my opinion. Alrighty, so we got MES coming down into this EMA 50 bounce area. I feel like it's just gonna be a really choppy day today. It's gonna be really choppy, in my opinion. Here we go. We go big up, big down now.
It's cute. It's black and white.
There goes MES. It's coming back down. Chop, 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 chop. I'm telling you, I kind of expect a chop. Tesla, I need you to go down, Tesla. Tesla, come down. Come down, Tesla. Huh? You didn't really eat much of it. Why, you want to give him cereal?
Let's check this out. Ooh. Look at this game. Ooh.
Alrighty, we're watching MES here. Gonna watch some MES. I'm wondering if NASDAQ is going. Let me look at MNQ real quick. What's it looking like for the NASDAQ? Yeah, that's NASDAQ. See if they're making a bigger move than MES. Gold's coming back up to the EMAs.
I know the game. Come right over here. Woo! I'm really good at this one. You ready?
Look at that massive move down. So we got Tesla coming down again. Kind of hit that 20 though. I would like to see a 15-minute touch on Tesla. Request song is Love by Tony Bennett. Let me see if I can pull that up for you. We got Tesla coming in though. Keep an eye on Tesla. Tony Bennett. What do we have? I don't think I ever listened to Tony. Love? I'm not seeing it for some reason. I'm gonna start placing some orders here. Does it allow you to link songs in the Twitch chat? It should allow you to do that. Yeah. We're getting a bounce there. Tesla. A little bounce. That's a pretty big, drastic down move. I don't think we hit the Keltner channels on the NASDAQ. You go from upper Keltner to lower Keltner. That's a pretty drastic move down. I think I want to take that for a scalp. At the EMA 5 on NASDAQ. Not on that MES. Yeah, we can look at EDBL. It's just a patience game right now, guys. Yeah, why couldn't SPCE do this? Yeah, this is exactly how I'm playing SPCE. Hit upper Keltner channel, bounce the EMA 10, buy some more at 20, and then, I mean, look at this. Bounce perfectly on the 10. Yeah, I like it a lot. SPCE is just kind of like waiting for a bounce. It hasn't bounced yet. 20 or 50, I don't know which one it wants. But yeah, EDBL is looking amazing. Looks pretty nice to me. SPX, 5-minute orb. We just crushed it right there. I need a kind of a big move down to get it. Gold is hitting that 50. Crude oil, not really anything to trade. I missed it at 8:59, 9 o'clock. I didn't see this move up on crude. Yeah, no credit spreads for me, guys. PLRZ, that was the freaking ticker. PLRZ. Yeah, there it goes. It was due for a move. This thing was so due. It's gonna run probably like DGLY. You see how it's getting like 13 days, and right after the reverse split it pumps. Same exact thing. So are you getting pre-IPO on Circle? Circle? I honestly I never do IPOs. I think we can go long here soon.
Are we missing something? Yeah.
So we hit the 10.
White arms.
Okay, MES. If we can come back down here, this will be good because I mean, an upper Keltner to a lower Keltner is a pretty drastic move down. I suspect chop all day. I think we just go back to the highs, come back down. I just need to get a big order down here if it'll let me have it. Give me a big order. Oh, okay, it was Nat King Cole. I was like, I don't know why I couldn't find him. Yeah, I couldn't find that guy. Let's see, Nat King Cole. And his song was Love. Okay.
Goggins goggle glasses. I needed a website. Figuring out how to make one was pretty hard.
I don't know if it's loud enough to let me know if I need to turn it up or something.
It's for the way you look.
Oh, I heard this song.
Oh, it's for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more.
Ah, gosh, Tesla, are you kidding me? You didn't want to give us a signal.
And love is all that I can give to you. Love is more than just a game for two. Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you.
I don't know how AMD, NVIDIA, we'll see what they do. Gosh, I want to get into this.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you
What are you doing, Pierre?
can love. Is all that I
Hey,
can
no worries.
to you. Love is more than just a game for two.
Yeah, break that low.
Two in love can make it. Take my heart and please don't break it. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you. Love was made for me and you.
That's a good song.
I ain't expect to see you. Let me catch my words, cause you're drinking, I'm sober.
Ah, I missed it.
Happy seeing you. Kid in my eyes makes you want this all over again.
I just missed that dip. You see how I'm placing my orders here? I try to get that dip real quick. You okay, Pierre?
The stars lean close. They can't deny the samba sway.
Down here.
Hearts align. Your touch, a rhythm so divine. A sip of wine, your glance.
What is this? Sweet morning jazz?
Near
Positive energy.
the boss of plays, erasing fear. Each note unravels the night so long. Two shadows dancing to the song. And whisper soft, the breeze will tell.
Man, Gold's just boring right now.
Moments cast a spell. Time melts away.
Alright, so we got 9:46 to... We got about 13 minutes from the EMA 20 not touching.
As love keeps humming its lullaby.
All dips are getting bought. How's our bowl doing? Back to 14 months. This is like the choppiest stock ever. Like, it's the best scalping stock. 10% a day you get on bull. It's nuts.
Upon the sea, your heartbeat sings
MSTR is hitting that daily EMA 50, guys, almost.
in perfect time.
This one's not bad.
A serenade in sultry rhyme. Oh, let's not let the dawn intrude to break this tender interlude. A chord, a breeze, your lips, the key, unlocking endless.
Yeah, it's just kind of boring right here. Nothing really happening. I think we go lower, though.
In whisper
I'm being patient, guys. If I don't get a trade, I don't get a trade. On the 15 second, you see how... Touch that 50 there. No trade yet from me. MSTR is looking pretty good, though, if we come down into 359.
cast
And then I'm obviously watching space. I want to see if this goes up here on that weekly 20 or 50 at 341.
light dips with a velvet.
My bad. Thanks for letting me know, Angel. That should be better, right? I put it down a lot. Alright, so yeah, I'm watching that 20 and 50 on space, MSTR, weekly, daily 50, but I prefer the weeklies the best. I mean, look at this. If you've got MSTR on these weekly EMA 50s, this is where the money is made. So, I'm going to be safer for that. I mean, 38% there, another 48% gain. These are really nice entries. Alright, we're coming back down. That's good we didn't touch the 20. We will touch the... if we can get like a big fat candle down, that's ideally what I want to see. MES is looking really good. Crude oil is just very boring. Nothing really I'm seeing. And then obviously gold is dry as all get out too. So hopefully we get a signal here soon. So one is swing trades. See what Pag maybe called on here. I'm pretty pissed off about my 15-second orb today. That looks so good today. I would have taken those gains up. It was like a 10-point gain from here to here, but it barely stiffed me out. Went all the way up here to 59.52 from my entry at 59.42. Yeah, it was a nice solid 10-point gain. That was nuts. What the frick?
Here, drink your waters.
What's my take on Lays? Pretty sure that one already just moved too much. Yeah, you need to get a pullback now. I would wait for a pullback to the EMA 20 and 50 on the daily. Those tend to be the best areas to buy. I would wait for a pullback, and that's near $3 and 280. I just can't get a move down here on MES. I cannot do it. Gold is starting to come up. Starting to make an uptrend on the 1 minute. But I'm not really seeing anything yet. Yeah, I just... with the FOMC and NVIDIA earnings, it's going to be choppy, I think. See what happens. Alright, still watching this chop mess here. It's been consolidating a lot. Hopefully we can make this new leg down and break that support at 59.29. And then I'll go some pretty good size here. I'm going to go some micros. Maybe I might do 2 at a time. Alright, let's see what happens. This is good. Haven't touched the 20 yet. Looking good. NASDAQ, no 20 yet. We're breaking, testing support. Testing support.
We're finding so many animals. There's so much.
Here we go. 30, 28. Oh. I'm just watching, guys. No, if I don't get a trade, like I don't have to force this. Yeah, this is just really just. I needed to see a move down. I'm not seeing anything.
Well, sausage and guacamole.
Not really seeing a move down.
I'm gonna get to make you.
Right next to each other, and they're getting along.
Is the music better for you, Angel? Let me know. If not, I can just turn it off. Yeah, it's gonna hit that 20. It's just taking its time. Best bet went up 400 freaking 30% the other day.
You see how that one has a white neck? Because that is this. And that one right there, with the dark neck and head, that means it's a juvenile. It's 5 years.
Okay. Don't know you made 20 touch, but on NASDAQ there was. That's interesting to see. Man, you would think there would be an exciting sector. No exciting sector right now.
That animal is a yeah, you can find raccoons.
Here we go. Here we go.
Wilderness
Can we break that support? 28. It's just like holding that big support there. Wonder what Tesla's doing. TEM actually came down to this daily EMA 50. I'm gonna keep an eye on this one. What is this sector? Oh, biotech? Heck no. Nope. I ain't trading no biotech. No.
Yum yum. Sausage. Avocado. Wow. You're welcome.
River otters can actually dive down 60 feet underwater.
Let's see what Tesla's doing.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Tesla hit that EMA 50. You guys see that? Frick. Nice, beautiful bounce on Tesla. It just didn't quite give us that second bounce here. I was really hoping we get a 1 minute touch. We got a 1 minute touch. I've been all over Tesla today with some options, but I mean, even if you took it down here, you made massive money. We had the 5 minute touch on Tesla, but I was missing, well, I was missing a 5 and a 1 here. It got really close though. It got really close. Man, this is a garbage price action. Nothing's happening today. Gold back down. Crude oil. Nothing. What about NKD? Isn't NKD like something people trade? See if NKD's doing anything. Let's just put up the I don't think that's something. Yeah, I don't like how that looks. Ugh, that looks disgusting. Not much volume. Alright, here we go. I need a bigger move than that. There's like no room up to the 20. It's not worth taking this trade if there's no room to the 20.
Yeah, I really enjoyed
Yeah, I'm just waiting that one out. I need a bigger move than that.
But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? E-L-I. E-E-I.
You like me?
Yes,
Miss Allison will be here soon.
we are at Point Blank Zoo and Aquarium in Tacoma, Washington. And today, we are gonna see some awesome animals. Let's go!
How's my bull doing? Look at that Tesla go. Holy crap. You guys see that? It's literally coming back to the opening range. Jeez. You gotta be kidding me. That's crazy. Yeah, it's just, I need some volatility at this point. There's no volatility for me to trade this. It's just up, down, and it's just like slowly going down, but in a very slow manner. So it's like stuck on EMAs. Yeah, it's literally just on the 5 forever. Not giving me any margin of returns. I can literally see this chip whipsawing all the way back up here. I've seen it happen all the time with NVIDIA and FOMC. I'm actually curious, did we get a 15-minute orb? We did get a 15-minute orb to the downside for SPX. I'm curious if it whipsaws. I can just see it going like that. And then here's our 45-minute. I'm very curious if this whipsaws. I can see it happening. Big time. Definitely don't do credit spreads today. And that makes me want to go long here. I really feel like it's gonna whipsaw to the top of this range. Kind of makes me want to go long. I'm not kidding. This is feeling like a big move up here soon. Maybe I could do like a small contract size. I'm just getting those vibes on this one. Gold, not doing anything. Crude oil is just right on the EMAs. NASDAQ is coming up. Yeah, I think this goes up big.
His name is Fork. And he's 31.
Testing support again.
Forks was rescued.
Okay.
A traveling
Coming back down a little more. Do we hold this support? Looks like it's holding. Do we have anything on Forex Factory at 10? Or anything besides the 2 o'clock? Yeah, that's the only thing we have today is the 2 o'clock meeting.
so pretty.
Alright. Going down some more. I have a friend in this short. He should probably hit his target right there. 59.25? Almost. He got to 59. Oh, there it is. 59.25. Nice. I think that hit it. Why don't you short the orb on SPY? For my futures, I do the 1 minute strat and 15-second orb. Yeah, because the orb is so freaking big. Like, for example, here's a 5-minute orb. You know, to me, the stop loss is pretty big there. There's the move up there. Shoot, I just missed it too. Yeah, I only do 15-second orb. I do it differently, developers, or for futures. For my credit spreads, yeah. I follow orb to a T on my credit spreads. Alright, still no EMA 20 yet. It's looking like it wants to get it. Definitely hit it on NASDAQ. Crude oil's picking up some things. Gold. Yeah, I'm just waiting. This is just a slow decline. We'll see what happens. But yeah, on SPX on the 15-minute, it is bear calls. On the 45, this is what you got. You just completed your first candle. Here's your orb on the 45. I'm just curious if this goes into bull puts or bear calls today. Come on, give me like a big move down or something. Good grief. Do something exciting. PRZ, yeah, that thing's gonna run big in my opinion. Holy moly. Yeah, I see this so many freaking times. Like, right up in there, after reverse split. If you wait till the reverse split, and you have massive EMA 5 TD, usually within 1 to 3 days you get your pump. Same thing with DGLY. It's actually nuts how many times I'm seeing it. Yeah, the problem with me is, before I wasn't as picky with pennies. I was doing like 7 days no touch. That's not enough time distance. You gotta have like 12, 13 days. It's gotta be extreme. Alright, come on now. Like, do something else. Here we go. Let's break this low. Slow staircase down. Price has to touch this 52, so I have room to touch the 50. Alright, I'm going to start adding in now. If I can get a move down here. I want to add some contracts. I want to slowly scale it in and then go heavier size. It needs to come down some more, though. I need to scale it in. Man, just not filling me there. I kind of want to get in now because we're due for the 20. We haven't touched the 20 since 9:47. Yeah, it's really long. 9:47 to 10:22. Ugh. didn't get filled on that one. I wouldn't even have that much contracts. I needed to go lower. Not a fill there. Not a fill, not a fill. There's the 20. He's gonna touch it now. And then Q. That might even count as a touch. But do keep in mind, we still have the 50 for a touch. Man, there's like no market that's exciting right now. Yeah, PLRZ up 105%. Holy freaking moly, are you kidding me? Look at that. Is it halt? Yeah, it's halted. Yeah, it's halted to the upside. That's insane. Oh, there's the 20. So that's totally just now. Yeah, I mean, not too shabby, Robert. Yeah, it is just boring, guys. I'm not. It's just too low volatility for me. I want to watch some stocks here, but yeah, this was a nice solid gain on PLRZ. Same setup I look for DGLY. Massive move, no bounce at all. Reverse split, and then it bounces. Those are the scenarios you want to look out for. I made a video on this one. Where was it? It was this stock over here. Yeah, I made a video on this, the most oversold penny stock that will pump. I didn't expect it to pump the next day like that, but I expected 1 to 3 days usually after an RS it pumps. It could have went down one more day, but yeah. This was it right here.
So if I turned off ADA tomorrow, I would need to double my support.
And another 20%. Then
Yeah.
20%, and then another 24%. And you're right. So we were seeing right up in here before the move happened that 5 is going to get touched. It just had an RS. Nice volume. EMA 5 TD. Like 13 days not touching the 5. Alright, looks like we're getting some volatility here. Oh, hey, Pierre. Thank you. Thank you, Pierre.